we'll be looking at 3 altcoins that have the potential of going easy 100x in 2022. Like if you mix on Solana Pump, Axie Infinity Pump, here comes another opportunity for you to kind of make massive profit from your cryptocurrency investment. You understand? So without wasting time, looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is down minus 6.5% in the last 7 days. Ethereum minus 7.8% in the last 7 days, and Bitcoin is up in the last 24 hours 3.2%, Ethereum 2.9%, Bitcoin sitting at $47,499, Ethereum $3,764. So let's just dive in straight to the first altcoin we're going to be looking at in this video. The first altcoin out of the 3 altcoins I'll be mentioning. So the first one is Pulse X. Like, the sacrifice have started already. Some of you might have heard or are already aware of the Pulse X sacrifice that is currently ongoing. The sacrifice started 2 days ago, right? Yeah, it started 2 days ago. I was supposed to make a video about that, but I got very busy. But I kind of out of my busy schedule trying to squeeze out time to make a video for you guys right now. So looking at Pulse X right now, the sacrifice have started, and so far they've sacrificed $207 million US. You understand? And here are the list of the tokens that have been sacrificed so far. This list are only token on the Ethereum chain, like the Hex, the Ethereum, the USD coin, Tether, Wrapped, BTC, DAI, Shiba Inu, Crypto.com, Chainlink, SushiSwap, and the rest. You understand? Okay, so the thing is, for you, let me just show you guys something real quick. So time left until sacrifice rate increase by 5% is 8 days, 3 minutes, 8 days, 3 hours, 19 minutes, then continuous countdown of seconds. Like for now, you can get 10,000 points of this token for $1 alone, just $1 for 10,000 points, and it's going to increase by 5% by the time this countdown becomes 00. That is on the 10th of January 2022, 00 UTC. So looking at this graph right now, rate per 10,000 sacrifice points. Now for now, if you are watching this video, you are very much early to this project. Like you can sacrifice $100 now around this area before 10th of January and easily make 10x of your initial investment capital, because by the time you get to $9.9 per 10,000 sacrifice, I think that's a 10x, right? Close to a 10x if I'm not mistaken. So by February 21st, volume bonus ends, and by February 25th, the sacrifice phase ends. Okay, so that's the thing, and there are a lot of stuff here that you have to go and read it out for yourself. I will leave the link to their website in the description of this video. Also the link to their Telegram community in the description of this video for it to be easy for you to make your own research. Please, my name is Isaac. In case you're new to my channel, I make videos about cryptocurrency and investment. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It really means a lot to me. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time we drop new insightful content like this. We also have a Telegram community, and the link is in the description of this video. Feel free to join the community also. In that community we share updates about low gem coin that can easily go 200x, 100x, 1000x. Okay, so let me just dive into the goal, one of the major goals for Pulse X. You understand? So Pulse X is a Uniswap fork with PLSX liquidity provider incentivization. Its goal is to provide Pulse chain users with the best possible trading experience and yield farm with a strong focus on incentivizing ERC20 holders to bridge in and back the value of their free PRC20 token. So I won't be going through all this one because I still have a lot of altcoins to cover. like 2 more, and I don't intend making this video lengthy, so you guys can go through it yourself. It's a very solid and serious project, but always remember, whatever I say in this video is strictly my own opinion, and it should not be considered as a financial advice. Before you invest in cryptocurrency, make sure you do your own thorough personal research very well before investing your hard-earned capital. Always avoid scammy projects, you understand? Beware of scammers, and invest the amount you can afford to lose, because this is cryptocurrency. Anything can happen. So the summary of everything is Pulse X has lower fees, the most liquidity on the Pulse chain, and also only becomes more real, you understand, because they are going to be burning a lot of tokens, and also reward users that provide liquidity. Like, let's just check it out here. Pulse X will have a 0.29% fee that user pay on every swap. This is less than SushiSwap, Traders Joe, QuickSwap, and Uniswap. So 76% of all trading fee could be distributed to liquidity providers, while 21% could be used to buy and burn PLX token, reducing its supply over time. 0.01% of a trade's value goes into an address you must have no expectation of. So the initial liquidity for Pulse X comes from a bot called the AMM ratio filter bot, it harvests over around 99.9% of many coins liquidity from Uniswap, SushiSwap, and other popular markets at launch. Then recreate those pairs on Pulse X and add the liquidity it has harvested along with fresh PLS to make Pulse X the vastly most liquid exchange on Pulse chain. Okay, so Pulse, like, let me just check something out real quick. So after the Pulse chain, you understand, we have to let me just show you guys this one real quick, because it's very important before I skip some other. So after the Pulse chain mainnet release, sacrificers will be able to access their free PLS tokens. So that's it. We'll be waiting for Pulse chain mainnet release in order for we to be able to access our token. Like, this is the opportunity for you to make life-changing money, like, seriously. So in order for you to kind of sacrifice, you have to click on here where my mouse pointer is right now. You click here, pulsex.info, you understand, to sacrifice your token. In my next video, I'll be making a detailed video, a very simple video on how to sacrifice using the Ethereum network, and also how to sacrifice Binance Smart Chain token to this Pulse X sacrifice that is ongoing. So I think that will be all for Pulse X. I will be covering more detailed video on Pulse X, individual video for Pulse X. So without wasting time, let's head straight to the next project. So this next project is Tiny Colony. Like, this project, the IDO registration have started already. It started on the 18th of December 2021, and the IDO event started on the 21st December 2021. So the IDO is currently ongoing. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, it's currently ongoing. Starlaunch.com. You can check more info on Starlaunch for the IDO. I'll leave the link to the Starlaunch in the description of this video. And this token is not just anyhow token you should kind of joke with. An expansive pixelated ecosystem on the Solana blockchain, launched and incubated by Starlaunch. And you know, Starlaunch, any token launching on Starlaunch is not just anyhow shitty project, you understand? So the Tiny Colony is the first ever construction and management stimulation blockchain game. In the Tiny Colony, metaverse players can build and grow advanced ant colonies, defend their base against dark forces that roam the underworld. They can also challenge other colonies to battle. They can also form allies and also trade with one another to participate in large-scale community events. Players will be able to attend community-wide events such as Community Quest, Battle Arena, Gladiators, Fights, Tiny Wars, Tiny Slots, and many more. So Tiny Colony is an all-encompassing metaverse with limitless opportunity for expansion. Like seriously. And let's just check some stuff out real quick. Let me just check the tokenomics out. So looking at Tiny Colony tokenomics right now, the total supply is going to be 100 million tiny colonies. Like guys, let's just pause for a while now. The supply is going to be super limited, 100 million. There's every tendency for this token to easily go 100x after it has successfully launched, which is very possible. Looking at the total supply, which is so little, 100 million tokens. So the private sale will be 9.5%, which is 9.5 million. The public sale 1 million, which is 1.1% of the total supply. Players, they will be allocating 30 million token, which is 30% of the total supply to players of the game. Ecosystem and reward 29 million. Liquidity 5 million, and marketing and ledger 5 million, that is 5%. Adversary 4.5%. Team token is 15 million, that is 15% of the total supply. Okay, so here's the thing. Let's just check out their roadmap. Quarter 4 2021, the pre-sale, which is currently ongoing, and also Quarter 1 2022, early access game plus colony sale, visual land. Damn it, man, guys, NFT, visual and metaverse is going to be something else. Like, okay, Quarter 2 2021, Gladiator Arena, PvP, NFT drop, game content drop. You understand? It's going to take a while for them to fix all this stuff up, but it's worth it. Like seriously, because you don't just expect a very solid project to just drop its game to come out of nowhere like that. It's going to take some time. Like great things takes time. Great things takes time. The game might take a little bit of time before it gets fully established, and by that time the token is going to go parabolic. Like seriously. So Quarter 3, Battle Arena, blah blah blah. Quarter 4, blah blah blah. You can check it out. Then Quarter 1 2023, tiny slots, tiny theater, and NFT drop, game content drop. Like it's going to be a bomb then, like seriously. Okay, so you can just go read it out for yourself. I will also leave the link to this tinycolony.io in the description of this video. And okay, so the next token, I've already covered this token in my previous video, which is VLaunch. Like like a lot of you are in profit right now. If you're watching this video, like you should be in profit right now. And in the previous video, I think someone dropped a comment that he makes 1.6 million naira, right? That his token is worth 1.6 million naira in VLaunch. Now I was like, wow, congratulations. So if you were in our Telegram community some weeks back, you should be in massive profit right now, like in massive profit, not just anyhow profit. Okay, what's happening, right? Okay, let's just select this stuff real quick. Yes, man. Buzz. Go, baby. Okay, so as it's launching, let's just check what was it called? Let's just check okay, it has successfully opened. So VLaunch is the first fully influential backed multi-chain launchpad. So VLaunch provides every person around the globe a fair chance of investing in one country, Taiwan project backed by biggest crypto thought leaders in the world. So far, the total VPAD staked is 20 million. And the average all-time high return of investment is 36x. The unique stakers is 14,651. Now here's the thing, is yet to kind of load, but let me just show you the influencers backing this project up real quick. Like we have Crypto MMM, Chris MMM Crypto Mo. Both of them are the co-founders of this project, and we have Willie Rex, BitBoy Crypto Altcoin Daily, and many more. Like seriously, we have the Moon, and yeah. So I think you should kind of look out for this project, like keep an eye on it. Like we that invested earlier are already in massive profit. Some of us are already in 30x profit, while some are barely in 2x, 3x profit, those that got in late. So you can still ape into this project, because this project has a launch pad where other token can launch on. So that will be a kind of increasing the value with time. Like if you know what I'm saying, like let me just say BSC, meme pad, all the stuffs, like Star Launch, those holding the token barely witness massive dip, because a lot of investors are buying the token in order for them to get free allocation to the token that is launching on VPAD Launchpad. So that will in turn increase the value of VPAD on VLaunch. So that's one of the reasons, out of many reasons, why you should consider this project, adding it to your portfolio. Like in my previous video, the one I made a few months back, I discussed about Sandbox in that video. Then Sandbox was trading at around 60 cents, not even up to $1. 2 months later, Sandbox went to as high as $8. Can you imagine? We talked about Blocktopia in our Telegram community. Those who took the trade, those who bought in early, made massive profit. Like actually, I sold mine early. I made just 400% gain. But someone in our Telegram group made almost 20x gain. I was like, wow. You see? So crypto favors the brave. That's just the truth. It also favors the patients, those that are patient. Okay, that will be all for now in this video. My name is Isaac. Once again, in case you're new to my channel, consider subscribing before leaving. As always, peace out.